What's up, E? How's everybody doing today? I'm gonna try my best. Saying hello. Alright, well, this break is full and paid for, so we got no teams to sell. So we're going to get right into it. Here's our owners list. This is our 2020 Panini Mosaic Football Cello Packs 1-box break number 47. Only in our breaks. Well, I'll try to help you out. Here's our owners list. There we go. Here's our sealed box, Mosaic Football. Let's see what we can find. There we go. All right. What's up, Michael B. from Germany? Germany, huh? You must like our breaks a lot if you're in them this much from Germany. You know, Michael, you don't have to stay up if you don't want, because we have our breaks uploaded to YouTube all the time. Like every break I upload to YouTube, so you could buy into the break. Michael, if you wanted to, you could buy directly into these breaks from our website when it's daytime for you. Buy the teams you want. You'll get free shipping when you buy them from our website, Michael. Alright, so here's our packs. see what we can find, guys. I'm kind of feeling like there's a Genesis or an auto in here in this box. I'm kind of feeling. I got a feeling like there's an auto or a Genesis. Clinton hoping for some Washington love. He says if it's an auto or a Genesis, please let it be a Herbert. Michael B says it's only 9 p.m. That's not late at all. I guess I didn't realize what time it was. So no worries there. Alright, there's our box opened up. Packs are out. We'll save the pink camos for last. Dustin, I've actually pulled probably close to 6 or 7 Genesis from our breaks here. I've probably pulled 6 or 7, to be honest with you. We get Genesis fairly often here. Alright, let's see if I can get this camera to focus here. There we go. Alright guys, good luck. Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. Right off the bat, there's a Chargers hit. Green Mosaic, Kenneth Murray. CeeDee Lamb, will to win. KJ Hamler rookie. Got game, Saquon Barkley. There's a CeeDee Lamb NFL debut rookie for the Dallas Cowboys. Dustin P. There's your CeeDee Lamb. Green Mosaic, Isaiah Simmons for the Cardinals. It's going out to Matthew P. Here's a flea flicker insert for the Cleveland Browns. Nick Chubb, Baker Mayfield, Odell Beckham Jr. Keyshawn Vaughn for the Buccaneers. Here is our Drew Lock, will to win. There's our Derrick Henry, green prism for the Tennessee Titans. Got game, J.J. Watt. Darrington Evans for the Titans. Flea Flickers prism insert for the Cardinals. Kenyon Drake, Kyler Murray, Larry Fitzgerald. It's going to Matthew P. again. Here's a Chase Young, NFL rookie debut for the Washington football team. Clinton K. There you go, Clinton. Go Washington, he said. Saquon, we have a Mosaic prism of Darius Leonard for the Colts. Joshua Kelly, rookie for the Chargers. Juju. We have a silver coming up, guys. Good luck. Silver going to the Cleveland Browns, Myles Garrett. Pharrell Z. Cole Kmet. NFL debut for the Bears. Ooh, here's a really nice one. Check this out. Jalen Hurts, NFL debut Mosaic Prism. Jalen Hurts, NFL debut rookie Mosaic Prism for the Philadelphia Eagles. Timothy B. There you go, Timothy B. There's a Jalen Hurts Mosaic Prism rookie NFL debut. Flea Flickers insert for the Steelers. Jerome Bettis, Terry Bradshaw, Juju Smith-Schuster, Pharrell Z. Jeff Okuda for the Lions. We have another silver coming up here, guys. Silver Prism of Derek Brown for the Carolina Panthers. Matthew P. NFL debut Cam Akers. Oh, I thought I saw one. Thought I saw a Genesis, but it wasn't. Here's an A.J. Dillon. A.J. Dillon NFL debut. Green Mosaic for the Packers. Green Bay Packers going to Mitch B. There you go, Mitch. Clinton said he needed a Chase Young. We got him one. Will to win, Russell Wilson. There's an A.J. Terrell, rookie for the Falcons. Here is the Adrian Peterson Touchdown Masters. This is the Prism for Washington. Clinton, there's another Washington card for you. This is a nice one. Adrian Peterson Touchdown Masters Prism insert. That's a nice card there, Clinton. We have a green. Why is this Luke Kuechly upside down? Don't do that, Luke. Jordan Hicks, green prism for the Cardinals. Old school Ed Reed insert. There's a Patrick Queen rookie for the Baltimore Ravens. Danian Tomlinson for the Chargers. Chargers getting a lot of cards here, just not the right ones. Here is a Flea Flicker insert for the Seattle Seahawks. Marshawn Lynch, Russell Wilson, DK Metcalf for Seattle. Michael B. Mark Andrews. Green Mosaic, Devin Singletary for the Buffalo Bills. You're welcome, Clinton. Touchdown Masters, Todd Gurley. Here's a nice Justin Jefferson for the Vikings, Pharrell Z. A couple of silvers coming up here. Old school Peyton Manning insert. There's a Justin Herbert. NFL debut rookie Justin Herbert for the Chargers. Yee. There you go, Yee. Justin Herbert, NFL debut. Nice looking card. Sony Michel. We have a silver, another Sony Michel, silver. So we got the base and the silver now. For the Patriots, Thomas R. Flea Flicker insert for the Jags. Leonard Fournette, Gardner Minshew, DJ Chark. And we got the Michael Pittman Jr. rookie for the Colts. Michael B. There you go, Michael. Another silver coming up here. Dan Marino. So we got another back-to-back First Sony Michel, now we got Dan Marino from Miami. Timothy B. Kind of cool. Dalen Tomlinson again. Here's a green Boomer Esiason for the Cincinnati Bengals. Green prism Boomer Esiason. That's not the Cincy card you wanted, E, but it's a Boomer Esiason for Cincinnati. Brett Favre, Touchdown Masters for the Packers. James Morgan, rookie for the Jets. There's a Brett Favre Old School. Terry Bradshaw, Hall of Fame. Alright, let's get into the last little stack of cards here, and then we'll do our bonus packs. My feeling may have been off. Could have swore I felt something. Joey Bosa for the Chargers. There's another back. Look at this. Every time we get a base, we get a parallel behind it. That's crazy. Chargers getting both of those. That's for ye. Touchdown Masters, Tom Brady. It's a cool one for the Buccaneers. Pharrell Z. Van Jefferson for the Rams. It's going to San K. Kevin Byard. There's a Josh Jacobs Got Game green Mosaic prism. Nice 101 Kids Reporter here. We do still have the pink camo packs, guys. Don't forget about those. Philip Lindsay for the Broncos. Dan Marino, Old School. Lynn Bowden Jr. for the Raiders. That's a cool one. Joe Namath, Old School Prism for the Jets. Alfredo S. And then we got a Dan Marino, Hall of Fame. Alright, let's get into these bonus packs and see what we can find. Good luck. Kareem Hunt. Ricky Williams. And MVP's Patrick Mahomes. That's a nice one for the Chiefs. Douglas C. Julio Jones. Russell Wilson. Oh, there's a nice one for Green Bay. Jordan Love. Nice Jordan Love pink camo rookie here for the Packers. Mitch B. There you go, Mitch. Nice Jordan Love there for you. See if we can find some more rookie quarterbacks. Give us all the rookie quarterbacks. Matthew Stafford. Julian Edelman. And there's another nice one. NFL debut. Justin Jefferson pink. For the Vikings. Pharrell Z. Another Patrick Mahomes. Randy Moss. And Denzel Mims for the Jets. DeAndre Hopkins. A.J. Brown. And NFL debut, Henry Ruggs III. Raiders, Matthew P. Terrell Davis. Marshawn Lattimore. Ooh, nice. Chase Claypool. Chase Claypool rookie. Pink. That's going to Pittsburgh. Pharrell Z. Pharrell having a nice break. Lathan Vander Esch. Chris Godwin, and Pro Bowl Kirk Cousins. Dick Butkus, Max Crosby, and NFL debut Jalen Hurts again. So we got a Mosaic Jalen Hurts NFL debut, and now we have a pink camo Jalen Hurts NFL debut. Going to the Philadelphia Eagles and Timothy B. There you go, Timothy. All right, what do we got? We got 4 packs left, and then we'll do a recap. Guys, don't forget about our website we have up. You can buy into these breaks directly from our website, and you'll get free shipping when you buy into the breaks. Leonard Fournette, Deshaun Jackson, and we have a Jonathan Taylor. Nice pink camo Jonathan Taylor here for the Colts. Colts going out to Michael B. There you go, Michael. Cole Beasley. Kevin Byard. And a nice Jerry Jeudy here for Denver. Dustin P. There you go, Dustin. Nice Jerry Jeudy. Alright, we got 2 packs left. We got people wanting Chase Young, Joe Burrow, Justin Herbert. We'll see if any of those guys are in these last couple packs here. Good luck. Andre Johnson. Tiki Barber. And Barry Sanders, Hall of Fame Barry Sanders for the Detroit Lions. Alejandro H. That's a nice berry. Alright guys, last pack and then we'll do a recap. Charles Tillman. Richard Sherman. And the last card of the break, Pro Bowl Michael Thomas for the Saints. San K. Alright, let's go over the recap. We got a few cards here. Not too bad. First one, we got a bunch of rookies. Jonathan Taylor, pink, for the Colts. That's going to Michael B. We got Jalen Hurts, pink NFL debut, for the Eagles. That's going to Timothy B. Then we got a nice Chase Claypool here. Check this thing out. For Pittsburgh, Chase Claypool, pink rookie for the Pittsburgh Steelers, Pharrell Z. We got a bunch of nice rookies here. We didn't do too bad. Jordan Love, pink for the Packers. That's a nice Jordan Love. It's going to the Packers and Mitch B. Then we did get a Justin Herbert. Justin Herbert, NFL debut rookie for the Chargers. It's going to EX for the Herbert. We got a green NFL debut, green prism, A.J. Dillon for the Packers. It's going to the Packers and Mitch B. And then we started the break with a nice Jalen Hurts, Mosaic prism, NFL debut. Nice Jalen Hurts for Philadelphia, Timothy B. Alright guys, we are going to be back very soon here with another one box break of Prism. So we always follow the Mosaic with a box of Prism. So if you guys are wanting to come and check out the Prism, we do have a couple teams available for the Prism break coming up. So if you want to come in and check out when the break starts, come and check out chat, see what teams are available. Also, don't forget about our website, guys. Like I said, you can buy into the breaks directly from our website. And if you do buy into the breaks from our website, you'll always get free shipping. And right now, during the month of April, we do have a promotional code, April 10%, where you will save 10% on all breaks. When you buy into the breaks from our website, you'll save 10% with the promotional code April 10%. So if you guys want to check that out, all you have to do is click on the link there, and then all you have to do to subscribe is put your name and your email, and you are subscribed. So it's April 10% is the code. So if you guys want to check that out, you can subscribe. Then you can see right from the website under our breaks tab what breaks we have up, and you'll be able to buy into the breaks directly from the website. You can buy the team you want, and you'll get free shipping. And if you use code April 10%, you'll also save 10% on that purchase. So go ahead and check that out, guys. It's well worth it in my opinion. Sometimes you can get teams cheaper from buying them from the website, from our website, than you would if you were bidding on them through eBay. So check it out and give it a shot. And if I don't see you guys, have a great rest of your day and stay safe. We'll talk to you later.